In this video, we're going to talk about the structure of plants. Vascular plants are composed of a root system and a shoot system. The shoot system consists of the stem and all of its appendages, including leaves, flowers, and fruits. The stem acts as the main structural support of the plant. It also transports nutrients from the root to the appendages. The stem contains a tissue known as the vascular bundle. It consists of the xylem and the phloem and acts as a transport system to transport water and nutrients throughout the plant. Some plants have a stem made of wood, which is a tissue composed of cellulose and lignin. Next, leaves. The function of leaves is to produce energy for the plant. They do this through a process known as photosynthesis. In this process, they use the energy of sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugars. This produces oxygen as a byproduct. Leaves have tiny green structures known as chloroplasts. These chloroplasts are used for photosynthesis. Chloroplasts contain a pigment known as chlorophyll. This pigment gives leaves their green color. Flowers are the reproductive structures of angiosperm plants. They are necessary for the development of seeds and fruits. On the other hand, cones are the reproductive structures of gymnosperm plants. Next, the root system. The function of roots is to pull water and nutrients from the soil, but roots also help anchor the plant to the ground. Some plants form a symbiotic network known as mycorrhiza. This network is a symbiotic relation between plants and fungi, where the plants provide the fungi with sugar and the fungi help the plants absorb nutrients. However, most of this only applies to a category of plants known as the vascular plants. However, there's another category of plants known as non-vascular plants. These plants include moss and liverworts. Non-vascular plants lack true roots. Non-vascular plants also lack true leaves. Instead, they have leaf-like structures known as phyllids, which are used for photosynthesis. Non-vascular plants also lack true seeds. They reproduce through structures known as spores. And that's the end of the video. Bye, see you next time.